Winter may be cold, but nature still shines with stunning winter flowers. Varieties like Helleborus boast pure beauty, while winter jasmine brings vibrant color and cheer. Witch hazel enchants with its sweet fragrance, and Snowdrop proves resilience by blooming through the snow. Cyclamen adds softness and color to indoor spaces, while Pansy, Viola, and Camellia elevate gardens with their delightful blooms. Explore the vibrant world of 15 incredible winter flowers that not only beautify landscapes but also lift spirits during the chilly months. Winter jasmine is a charming deciduous perennial that adds a splash of vibrant yellow to winter gardens. This twining shrub, part of the olive family, features delicate flowers that bloom on arching branches in late winter, well before its tiny leaves appear. Although it lacks the fragrance typically associated with jasmine, its bright blooms create a stunning visual impact in mild climates. With a moderate growth habit, winter jasmine is best planted in the spring, where it can thrive and spread its cheerful color, enhancing the landscape during the colder months. Its ability to flourish in various settings makes it a favorite choice for gardeners looking to brighten up their winter scenery. Helleborus, commonly known as Christmas rose, is an enchanting evergreen perennial that blooms in the depths of winter. This resilient plant belongs to the buttercup family and is celebrated for its striking cup-shaped flowers, which come in shades of white, pink, and purple. The blooms emerge on sturdy stems, often peeking through the snow, bringing a touch of beauty to the winter landscape. Unlike many other winter flowers, Helleborus has a delightful fragrance that enhances its appeal. Its glossy, dark green leaves provide an attractive backdrop for the flowers, making it a cherished addition to gardens in colder climates. Helleborus thrives in well-drained soil and partial shade, making spring the ideal time for planting, ensuring a stunning display during the holiday season and beyond. Camellia is a stunning evergreen shrub renowned for its elegant, showy blooms that grace gardens during the cooler months. This versatile plant, belonging to the Theaceae family, features glossy, dark green leaves that provide a lush backdrop for its captivating flowers, which can be found in various shades of white, pink, and red. Camellias typically bloom from late fall through early spring, filling the garden with vibrant color and beauty when many other plants are dormant. While some varieties have a delicate fragrance, all camellias are cherished for their aesthetic appeal. With a moderate growth rate, these plants thrive in well-drained, acidic soils and partial shade. Spring is the best time to plant camellias, allowing them to establish themselves and showcase their breathtaking blooms during the winter and early spring months. Snowdrop, Galanthus nivalis, is a delicate perennial bulb that heralds the arrival of spring with its charming white flowers. This hardy plant is one of the first to bloom, often pushing through the snow to display its nodding, teardrop-shaped blossoms. Snowdrops are part of the Amaryllis family and thrive in a variety of conditions, making them a favorite among gardeners looking for early winter color. Their slender green leaves emerge alongside the flowers, adding a touch of greenery to the winter landscape. While these flowers are not fragrant, their ethereal beauty brings a sense of hope and renewal during the colder months. Snowdrops prefer well-drained soil and partial shade, and they are best planted in the fall to ensure a stunning display in late winter and early spring. Corydalis is a charming perennial that enchants gardens with its delicate, fern-like foliage and vibrant tubular flowers. This plant, which belongs to the poppy family, features blooms in a variety of colors, including shades of blue, yellow, purple, and white, typically appearing in early spring. Corydalis thrives in well-drained soil and prefers partial to full shade, making it an excellent choice for woodland gardens or shaded areas. The flowers are often clustered above the lush green leaves, creating a beautiful contrast that brightens up the landscape as winter fades. While some varieties may have a light fragrance, their primary appeal lies in their captivating colors and unique shape. Corydalis can be easily planted in the fall or spring, and once established, it will return year after year, adding a delightful touch of springtime beauty to any garden. Witch hazel, Hamamelis, is a unique deciduous shrub known for its eye-catching, spidery flowers that bloom in late winter to early spring. Belonging to the witch hazel family, this plant features clusters of fragrant yellow, orange, or red flowers that provide a striking contrast against its bare branches, adding a splash of color when most other plants are still dormant. The leaves of witch hazel are oval-shaped and turn a beautiful yellow in the fall, enhancing its seasonal interest. This moderate-growing shrub is adaptable to various soil types and thrives in full sun to partial shade, making it a versatile choice for gardens. Witch hazel is best planted in the spring or fall, allowing it to establish itself before its stunning winter display. Additionally, its bark and leaves have been historically valued for their medicinal properties, making this shrub not only a beautiful addition to the landscape, but also a plant with practical benefits. Pansy is a beloved annual flower known for its vibrant colors and unique, expressive faces. This versatile plant features large, heart-shaped leaves and stunning blooms that come in a wide array of shades, including purple, yellow, blue, and white, often adorned with dark markings. Pansies thrive in cool weather, making them perfect for early spring and fall gardens. They are popular for their ability to withstand light frosts, providing a cheerful burst of color when many other plants are still dormant. The flowers typically have a light, sweet fragrance that adds to their charm. Pansies prefer well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade, making them an excellent choice for borders, containers, and garden beds. They can be planted in the spring or fall, allowing gardeners to enjoy their delightful blooms for an extended period. With their enchanting colors and resilient nature, pansies are a favorite for brightening up any garden. Viola, commonly known as violets or pansies, is a charming group of perennial flowers that adds beauty to gardens with their delicate blooms and vibrant colors. These versatile plants are characterized by their heart-shaped leaves and distinctive flowers, which come in a variety of shades including purple, blue, white, and yellow, often with striking patterns and markings. Viola flowers typically bloom in early spring, creating a stunning display that can brighten up any landscape. While some varieties are fragrant, all are beloved for their cheerful presence. These resilient plants thrive in well-drained soil and prefer full sun to partial shade, making them suitable for various garden settings, including borders and containers. Violas can be planted in the spring or fall, allowing them to establish themselves and provide long-lasting color throughout the growing season. With their delightful appearance and adaptability, violas are a favorite choice for gardeners looking to create a vibrant and inviting outdoor space. Primrose, Primula, is a delightful perennial that brings a burst of color to gardens in early spring. This charming plant features rosettes of lush green leaves and clusters of delicate flowers that bloom in various hues, including yellow, pink, purple, and white. The blossoms, which come in both single and double forms, often have a cheerful appearance with their bright colors and unique shapes. Primroses thrive in well-drained, moist soil and prefer partial shade, making them ideal for woodland gardens and shaded borders. They are known for their ability to bloom even in cooler temperatures, providing an early display of color when many other plants are still dormant. Primroses can be planted in the spring or fall, allowing them to establish themselves and return year after year. With their charming flowers and resilience, primroses are a beloved choice for gardeners seeking to brighten their landscapes in the springtime. Cyclamen is a captivating perennial flower that enchants gardens with its unique, heart-shaped leaves and exquisite blooms. These plants are known for their distinctive, upward-facing flowers that come in shades of pink, white, and purple, often with beautifully patterned petals. Cyclamen typically bloom in late winter to early spring, providing a vibrant splash of color during a time when many other plants are still dormant. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer partial shade, making them perfect for woodland gardens or shaded areas. The foliage remains attractive throughout the year, often displaying attractive marbling patterns. Cyclamen can be planted in the fall or spring, allowing them to establish their roots and flourish. With their elegant appearance and ability to brighten up the winter landscape, cyclamen are a beloved choice among gardeners looking to add a touch of charm to their gardens. Kalanchoe is a vibrant succulent that brings a cheerful burst of color to gardens and indoor spaces alike. This hardy perennial is known for its thick, fleshy leaves and clusters of small, tubular flowers that bloom in a variety of striking colors, including red, pink, orange, and yellow. Kalanchoe typically flowers in late winter to early spring, making it an excellent choice for adding brightness during the colder months. Although it thrives in bright, indirect light, it can also tolerate some direct sunlight, making it versatile for both indoor and outdoor settings. Kalanchoe is drought-tolerant and prefers well-drained soil, allowing it to flourish with minimal care. It can be easily propagated from leaf or stem cuttings, making it a favorite among gardeners. With its captivating blooms and easygoing nature, Kalanchoe is a delightful addition to any collection, providing enduring beauty and a touch of warmth during the winter season. Orchids, particularly the Phalaenopsis variety, are renowned for their exquisite beauty and elegant blooms. Often referred to as moth orchids due to their unique flower shape, these stunning plants feature wide, flat petals that come in a multitude of colors, including white, pink, purple, and yellow, often adorned with intricate patterns. Phalaenopsis orchids are characterized by their long-lasting flowers, which can bloom for several months, providing a vibrant display throughout the year. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer a well-drained, moisture-retentive growing medium, making them suitable for both indoor environments and outdoor patios in mild climates. These orchids are typically grown as epiphytes, attaching themselves to trees in their native habitats. While they require careful watering and humidity, their enchanting flowers and unique foliage make them a favorite among plant enthusiasts. With their captivating beauty and diverse colors, Phalaenopsis orchids are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any space, whether in a home, office, or garden. The Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera, is a popular holiday plant known for its stunning tubular flowers that bloom in vibrant shades of pink, red, white, or purple during the winter months. This unique succulent is native to the cloud forests of Brazil and thrives in a warm, humid environment. Unlike traditional cacti, the Christmas cactus features flat, segmented leaves that give it a distinct appearance. It blooms around the holiday season, adding a festive touch to any home. The flowers typically emerge from the tips of the stems, creating a cascading effect that enhances its beauty. Christmas cactus prefers bright, indirect light and should be watered when the soil feels dry to the touch, as it is susceptible to overwatering. With proper care, this moderate-growing plant can live for many years, often becoming a cherished family heirloom. Its ability to bloom during the colder months makes the Christmas cactus a beloved choice for adding color and joy to holiday celebrations. Winter-blooming anemone is a delightful perennial that brightens the garden during the chilly months with its charming, delicate flowers. This resilient plant features vibrant blooms in shades of white, pink, or purple, often appearing in late winter to early spring when many other plants are still dormant. Anemone flowers have a graceful, cup-like shape and are borne on slender stems above the attractive, deeply lobed leaves. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer partial shade, making them ideal for woodland gardens or shaded borders. While these flowers are not known for their fragrance, their colorful presence adds a refreshing touch to winter landscapes. Anemone can be planted in the fall or spring, allowing them to establish their roots before their spectacular display. With their ability to flourish in cooler temperatures and their enchanting blooms, winter-blooming anemones are a cherished choice for gardeners seeking to add beauty and interest to their winter gardens. Lenten Rose, Helleborus orientalis, is a stunning perennial that brings a touch of elegance to gardens during the late winter and early spring months. Known for its hardy nature, this plant features large, cup-shaped flowers that bloom in an array of colors, including soft pinks, purples, and whites, often adorned with striking dark centers. The blooms typically appear before the foliage, which consists of attractive, leathery green leaves that form a lush backdrop. Lenten Rose thrives in well-drained, moist soil and prefers partial to full shade, making it an excellent choice for woodland gardens or shaded areas. While not fragrant, the unique beauty of its flowers adds a lovely focal point to the landscape during the dreary winter months. This moderate-growing perennial should be planted in the fall or early spring, allowing it to establish itself and provide a captivating display when other plants are still dormant. With its resilience and enchanting blooms, Lenten Rose is a favorite among gardeners seeking to enhance their winter gardens with lasting beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting world of winter flowers. From the elegant Helleborus to the cheerful winter jasmine, these blooms bring vibrant colors and delightful fragrances to the coldest months. Each of the 15 winter flowers we explored showcases nature's resilience and beauty, reminding us that even in the chill of winter, life continues to flourish. We hope you feel inspired to embrace these stunning plants in your garden or home. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights into the wonders of gardening. Until next time, stay warm and enjoy the beauty around you.